Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello kids, today I draw a cute heart, a cute rainbow heart. I am doing rainbow colors in the heart. So let's start drawing. First I draw the one side of the heart and then the other side. And then I will draw the eyes. The eyes of the heart will make it cute. The one eye and I draw a right eye. And my heart is sleeping right now. Wow, the eyes is blinking. Yay! And then I draw the mouth. Okay friends, I have done my drawing. So let's start coloring. First, I take the red color. Do you know your heart is always in red color? I color in one side and then I'm doing color on the other side. And now I'm doing the green color. This is the green color. And third one is orange color. Yay!
Woo!
What mine is sky blue.
Wow. Wow.
After blue, I am doing pink color.
Wow.
And now I am doing purple color.
Wow.
In the last, I am doing yellow color. Okay friends, if you like my
Wow.
video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.